In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending connection requests on LinkedIn. If you've sent connection requests on LinkedIn and want to see which ones are still waiting for a response, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. This can be especially useful if you're networking actively, following up with new contacts, or simply keeping your account organized. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home page you usually see after signing in, where posts, updates, and activity from your network appear. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you a consistent place to navigate from, even if LinkedIn's layout changes slightly over time. Once you're on the feed, look toward the top of the page and click on My Network. This section is where LinkedIn keeps all of your connection-related activity, including invitations, suggestions, and network growth tools. If you're trying to manage who you've contacted, this is the area you'll use most often. After that, find and click Show All. This will open the full invitations view, giving you access to more than just the preview shown in the My Network section. If you only stay on the summary page, you may not see the complete list of requests, so this step is important for getting to the full management screen. When the invitations page opens, click on Sent. This is the key step for checking your pending connection requests. The Sent tab displays the invitations you've already sent to other LinkedIn users that have not yet been accepted or withdrawn. In other words, this is where you can review your outstanding requests. From here, you can look through the list and see who has not responded yet. This can help you decide whether you want to leave those invitations pending or clean them up later. It's also a useful way to track your networking activity if you've been reaching out to multiple people over time. One helpful tip is to review this section occasionally, especially if you send a lot of connection requests. Keeping an eye on your pending invitations can help you stay organized and maintain a more intentional networking strategy on LinkedIn. So to recap, you start on the LinkedIn feed, go to My Network, click Show All, and then select Sent to view your pending connection requests. That's all it takes to check which invitations are still waiting for a response on LinkedIn.